Need a reliable wheelchair-accessible van that keeps things simple and affordable? This 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SE might be exactly what you're looking for. This van is built for everyday use, offering dependable performance and practical accessibility without the extra complexity. With a bit over 112,000 miles, it's a proven option that's ready to keep going. Featuring an AMS Vans side entry manual fold-out ramp. Easy to use, easy to maintain, and always ready when you need it. The ramp and door opening size gives you smooth entry and exit for many wheelchairs and power chairs. One of the biggest advantages of this van is flexibility. With removable driver and passenger seats, you can set it up the way that works best for you, whether you're driving, riding, or assisting. Finished in a bold burgundy exterior with a durable black cloth interior, this Grand Caravan keeps a clean, practical look that's easy to maintain. Powered by Dodge's reliable 3.6-liter V6 engine, it delivers smooth and consistent performance, perfect for daily errands, appointments, or longer drive. So if you're looking for a no-nonsense mobility van that's reliable, flexible, and budget-friendly, this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SE is a solid choice. Call us today at 800-431-3183 or visit automobilitystore.com to learn more. We're here to help you find the right mobility solution.